With this short video, we want to tell you about our project Clean Cooking to combat climate change in Tanzania. At the end of 2021, after setting up several off-grid PV systems, we realized the huge problem of deforestation. In 20 years, nearly 3 million hectares of forest have been lost. In this image, for example, you see a forest that has been cut down near a village to collect wood. In large part, this is due to the continued need for firewood for cooking. In fact, 90% of the population uses wood as fuel, and the kitchen consists of 3 stones on top of which a pot is placed. Women spend 3 to 7 hours a day collecting wood and cooking and are up to 5 times more exposed than males to harmful gases related to combustion. Therefore, we made and certified a stove that could save up to 70% wood and allow both wood and charcoal to be used during the rainy season. All production of the stove is done locally, creating new jobs for local people. The wood savings are impressive. Our project is the first with improved stoves, approved by the Tanzanian government in compliance with the new rules published in October 2022. We started in February 2023 to distribute the stoves in the Morogoro region, meeting with great enthusiasm from the local people. Therefore, we plan to expand our project, which now includes the distribution of 5,000 stoves. The stoves are not given away, but sold at a very low price, which nevertheless gives value to the product, thus involving the end user to take care of it and report to us any defects or malfunctions. Our project, certified by Gold Standard, will generate 12,780 credits per year starting in 2023, and improve the lives of tens of thousands of people. But this is just the first in a series of interventions that we will replicate in other Tanzanian regions. To learn more, or if you would like to support this project, please write to us at info@offgridsun.com.